Good morning, guys. It's George from Florida Parks After Dark. We are here at Margaritaville, and we are taking a walk this morning, but I want to show you the resort. Those are new condos going in, and that's a new pool area with a splash park, and it looks like a thatched hut bar they're opening up. Let's take a stroll and take a look at the rest of the resort. So we're back out here in a corner, and over there, where the sun is rising, are all the houses that people buy and can rent right here on the property. Straight ahead of us is a resort. It looks like this is a new pool area they're opening, and you can see over against the pool there's cabanas, like physical structure cabanas, that you can rent. And then some of those are entrances in the bigger pool area, which we'll see in a second. What we love about Margaritaville is it has just a very kind of chill vibe. And so I'm walking the dog as we do this. and like they put a lot of this, like these kind of murals everywhere, which kind of make it great. But then here's the main building, and it's kind of a sprawling resort that goes around. Looks like they can open up a Mango Moon bar and grill in the new place when they open it. And then there's a hotel. Now, there's rooms that kind of straight around this building. A, B, C, D, E, F. They kind of letter it. Up there straight ahead of you in the main lobby, there's a bar area called Euphoria. Best margaritas and live music up there. You can tell the grounds are just lush. And then here's kind of the towel area. And here's some view of the pool. And through there goes into the main lobby area. And for those who know anything about Margaritaville hotels, they always have a big flip-flop. This one's red here, and red has a sand hat on it. Now we did a short on that, so you can definitely take a look at that. But that's in there. Up there on the second floor is a place called Provisions. You'll see the sign in a second. That's kind of the little sundry shop where you can buy snacks and food and sandwiches. And that's up there. And then the rooms continue to wrap around and then just have these open grassy spaces. And here's the pool area. Now, these cabanas are for rent. They have a great view of the pool. In the middle, which is, I wish I could hire, that's a pool bar straight ahead of us. It separates the two pool areas. So there's a pool area on that side, and then there's the bar, and then there's a pool area on this side. Just very, very well done. Everything's in teals and whites. And as you can kind of tell through the path, they really did a nice job making it feel lush but not enclosed. You still get a great viewpoint. There's elevations when you walk, so you can kind of get up higher and see things. So it's really just kind of a nice property. It's not just flat. It has a little bit of character. So my dog is easier to go. Interestingly, if you look in between here, and we're gonna pause the pup for a second, where those beach chairs are, that's sand. Where those cabanas are with the little tops that roll up, the chairs with the covers, that's sand as well. So there's a sandy beach here as well. So you can kind of have kids play in the sand, or you put your toes in the sand. And then there's a Salted Rim bar and grill. Fantastic place to get a little bite to eat. There's a stage, I may have passed, there it is, stage right there, that they do live music at. So this is just, I was walking the dog and I thought, you know what, you guys need to see this. We have been moved into Margaritaville for a few days. And here's kind of so there's a fins up to get into the pool area, there's a gym over there, and there's a spa. And it kind of comes out through here. Now, this building, back over this building, is the spa and the gym. So it's in close proximity to everything. And then they have a kids park here that's accessible. And then it comes right out and spills out into the houses that are for rent or sale. which is really awesome. And we're gonna go through here real quick. Here are those bikes you can rent to kind of go around through the neighborhood. I've rented those before, and it's got to be the most exhausting experience you've ever had. So here's another guest towel area. And then I want to show you this real quick. So this is kind of how it lays out. Tiki bars in the middle, pools on either side, surrounded by cabanas and everything else. So just an idea of really how it's laid out. There is a fire pit surrounded by the chairs. So really it's a chance to kind of fully immerse yourself. So we're gonna go this way now. And guys, George from Florida Parks After Dark, you have a great day. Take care.